Good morning. My name is Maria Andrea Barro Villamil. I am a student of agronomy. My bedroom. There is a bed. There is a chair. There is a computer. There is a lamp. There is a desk. There is a bookcase. There are two pictures. There is a clock. There is side table. There are many books. Bedroom of my parents. There is a picture. There are two lamps. There are two side tables. There is a mirror. There are two chairs. There is flower vase. There is a bed. There is a sofa. Dining room. There are two lamps. There are six chairs. There is a table. There are two glasses. There is a cup. There are two dishes. There is flower vases. Living room. There is a TV. There are three sofas. There is a table. There are two lamps. There is a door. There is a window. Kitchen. There are two lamps. There is a window. There is a refrigerator. There is a microwave. There is a stove. There are a chair. There are three chairs. There is a table. There is a cupboard. Bathroom. There is a toilet. There is a mirror. There are two shampoos. There are three lamps. There is sink. Thank you for attention.